Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You already need Seller's Central and Polished listings. Once ready, set a practical daily budget and decide your target ACOs. First, create a sponsored products campaign and enable an auto campaign to harvest search terms and clicks. Make sure to choose relevant ASIN, set a starting default bid, and limit the campaign to a focused set of SKUs. Once the auto campaign runs for 14 days, you'll have real search term data to move into precise manual targeting. Once you have the search term report, you'll identify converting phrases and non-converting traffic, export and sort by orders, spend, and ACOs. You should move top performers into manual exact campaigns with higher bids, add phrase for discovery, and use broad sparingly. Also, inject negatives into auto and broad campaigns to stop wasted spend. Make sure to use placement modifiers for top of search when a phrase proves valuable, and scale bids incrementally. Don't jump more than 20 to 30% at once. You finish by continuously optimizing. Review ACOs, CTR, and conversion rate weekly, and pause or reduce spend on low performers after a test period. Scale winners by increasing budget or bids by 10 to 25% and test creative variations or a plus content to improve CVR. If performance drops, inspect fundamentals like by box status, price, and recent reviews. Add negative keywords, refresh offers, and rerun controlled tests. As a troubleshooting tip, when spend climbs but sales don't, immediately add negatives and lower bids to stop wasted clicks.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.